In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create children's storybooks with Gemini AI. Turn pictures into thoughtful stories. We'll walk through a simple process that turns a single image into a warm, child-friendly story with a clear moral. I'll keep it conversational and practical so you can follow along easily and get great results the first time. Start by opening Gemini. This is where all the creative magic happens. If it's your first time, don't worry. Everything we're doing today is straightforward and doesn't require any special setup. Once Gemini is open, click on Gems. Gems are ready-made tools inside Gemini that guide the AI toward a specific task. Think of them as focused workspaces designed to help you create something quickly and well. Next, click on Storybook. This gem is tailored for building stories, especially those meant for young readers. It streamlines the process so you can stay creative without getting lost in technical details. In the Storybook area, you'll see a space to enter and describe the storybook you want to create. This is where your idea takes shape. You can write something like, "Write a moral lesson story for kids inspired by this picture," using simple and engaging language. That sentence tells Gemini you want a child-friendly tone and a values-based message anchored to the image you're working with. Feel free to be specific about the kind of story you want. Mention the age group, the mood, and any characters or settings you want included. If the picture shows a forest or a classroom, reference that directly. You can also name the moral, such as kindness, honesty, sharing, or perseverance, so the message is clear and age-appropriate. When your description looks good, click Submit and wait patiently while Gemini generates your prompts. This may take a moment. Don't click away. Letting it finish ensures you get a complete, coherent result. What appears can include story outlines, suggested titles, and a full draft written in simple language that children can enjoy. As you review what Gemini creates, look for clarity, gentle vocabulary, and a positive takeaway. If something feels too complex, adjust your description and submit again with a note like "Use shorter sentences" or "Make it suitable for early readers." Keep personal details out of the story and stick to original content inspired by your own picture. That's it. By opening Gemini, choosing gems, selecting Storybook, describing your vision, and submitting, you'll have a thoughtful children's story ready to share. Enjoy creating.